Area I truly salute on a day welcome for football in Pidgin. After match, don't come how you see. I'm a beg if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Liverpool 7 and Manchester United 0. And we get Oga Samuel. We be Ogbonge person and Ogbonge Liverpool fan. He come with the Liverpool red today. Make us tell us about how you see in team performance. Oga Samuel, now how you see your team performance? Because it be like say this season, it be like say una dey waka alone before. But this one, when I know I can't alone for this match, how you see your team performance?
Right from 4-5 matches back, Liverpool has been playing well. We thought they do well. As in, every good Liverpool fan knows say we thought they pick up. You understand? Now the players thought they play ball. See Salah where they hide since. In fact, the entire team was brilliant today. And sincerely, I want to give those guys kudos. They play ball. They play ball. They play ball. I'm really impressed. He sweets me. What do you do? He sweets me. He sweets me. He sweets me.
Who be your man of the match for today's performance?
No, normally that's Salah. Salah has played everybody for the game today. Salah dribbled, Salah run, Salah cross, Salah pass. Salah did everything today. Now the Salah we know, now we see today. The Salah we know where they give 350,000 pounds every week. Now we see today. Salah play ball. About the entire team play ball. Our new boys, they shine. I was so happy with those guys. Gakpo, Nunez, all of them, they shine. I was so happy with those guys. And the younger guys, Elliot, Bajetic, they played ball. The entire team played ball today. And actually, Man U was terrible today. They don't play ball. They don't play the normal ball we know Man U today. They play for some time now. So Liverpool just outclassed them. So that's just it. Liverpool outclassed them. From defense to attack, we played them. Midfield, Casemiro lost for the game now. Casemiro lost, Bruno lost, all their friends they lost. Small Elliot got the carry ball up and down. So we really played ball today, and I'm very sure all Liverpool fans enjoyed today. As like this now, you can't enjoy it in the heart. We don't feel express them. But I see the improvements, and I hope so we will make top 4 at the end of the day.
Yeah, you talk about improvements. Now, if you look at now, when I don't move this after this match, when I don't move go 5th, Abby. When I don't move go 5th, and the point between Tottenham and Una, you know, 3 point that you don't talk so. When I don't reduce them, so how you they see this battle for top 4? Initially, we would wait Liverpool they play before. Some people don't talk say Liverpool no go make them. You understand? You think say you they confident say your team go fit make top 4 with the way you can't see them they perform recently?
Yes, now. Confidence, yes. I get confidence in Liverpool will make top 4. Based on their recent performance, we are improving on daily basis. We are improving on daily basis. Just that our last match where we drew against Crystal Palace, the game just did somehow. And some days are like that. But when you watch the team from December till now, you notice that there's a big difference. Nunez now don't improve. Even opposition fans said they not say the guy now threat. Gakpo played well today. Henderson was okay. Van Dijk, Konate, that pair today. Arnold, wonderful. Salah killed everybody. Now, the improvements, don't make us they get hope, say we make top 4. But don't forget, say Brighton, they're like, Brighton get 3 outstanding match, and they are 7 points behind top 4. So Brighton self see the contest for this thing. Brighton did there, Newcastle did there, Tottenham did there, and ourselves. And we leave Chelsea. Chelsea don't already go. Forget them. And we have like 10 matches up. You understand? So 10 match, there's enough time to prove, say, yes, we need this Champions League. And Champions League will guarantee us so many big players. You understand? You know, the privileges and the privileges they come with Champions League and being a Champions League team. So, and we define big players like Bellingham and so many other big players. We want them this summer. And we get that Champions League, it will help us. I'm very confident that Liverpool will make top 4 because of their recent form. And see Tottenham, normally Tottenham, they are inconsistent. They will win today, they will win tomorrow. So we know that Tottenham will drop. Yeah, Newcastle and Brighton are not be the problem. Especially Brighton, because Brighton has like 3 outstanding matches. And 3 outstanding matches, they win on 9 points. They got there every 2 points. So you see, so we don't just say we don't already enter there. We go fight the game by game. Now I think we have Man City up for Arsenal up for Chelsea up front. So we still get bigger matches, top matches. So the hope when we get today now, based on say we dey home. So what about our way? But I just hope so we go move forward.
So before I let you go, I got somewhere. What do you get talk about your manager? You know, so that time when the team they get some bad run of performance, some people call they want more about the manager. You understand? Talk go here, talk go left. But you as a Liverpool fan, what do you get to talk about your manager?
You know, normally, we know say we get 2 type of fans. We get fans who say they're always there for the good time. And they don't believe say bad time supposed to come when you guys suffer. Now, imagine 2 seasons ago, last season, we play ball. Every other team they suffer. We just they contest for everything. Now, you don't feel they enjoy every day. You understand? There's some days you have to sweat. So these are our period, and we don't sweat that period out. The whole team now they work on themselves. Once in a while we feel loose, yes, but we are seeing that Liverpool is coming back. Liverpool is coming back. Now, for the real fans, no real fan will say they should sack Jurgen Klopp. Right from time, I've never thought about it because Klopp will be the problem of the team. The problem of the team and the team itself, we're not gelling. But now we don't the gel. Based on we get new legs, money don't come out, so new legs don't come, Nunez come. Gakpo come. So the guys adapt to the system. Now they don't they adapt. You see the goals they come anyhow about Nunez. Nunez they score goals almost every match now. So you see the team don't the gel. So Klopp is not the problem. Klopp has never been the problem. In fact, since where Klopp come, we have been going from grass to grace. We improve on daily basis. So with time, I just feel say the team go gel to the point where we say we will become unstoppable again like last season, last 2 seasons back. So that's just it. Klopp has never been the problem. In fact, if you start Klopp, who you want bring come? We look around the coaching, except Zidane, no other coach who say want to stand where Klopp don't stand now. Because Klopp has helped us achieve almost every time we have achieved everything with Klopp. So Klopp cannot go. Instead of when they sack Klopp, when they sack all the players, sign new players. When we start afresh again.
All right, now, guys, thank you for your time. The people now, lawyer boy, of course, where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content, but make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platform, they for the description for inside this video.